Morning, Keith.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
Very well. What are we going to see today?
Snow.
Walruses. Walruses. Greg, did we
so
pay
dark.
for this place?
I don't know, man. Hold on, I got to crank up the eyes. Oh, it looks so good this sunny.
Why did you throw me out of your van, Greg?
It has something to do with your breath.
There you go. I've got bad breath.
Good morning from day number 2 here in Iceland, winter wonderland. Still, we got tons of snow overnight, probably like 5 centimeters on the ground. Just gonna make driving again quite fun. But we are hoping for some breaks in the clouds today and the wind, and we've got quite the day. But we're gonna start it off where we finished the last video. That's I can't remember the name. Shoot, Seljalandsfoss, is that right? Oh, that might be wrong. Anyway, you guys know where it is, and that's where we're going. This video starts right now. Let's go. It's already filming. Oh no! Nice. Good morning, Bruce.
Yeah, it's because you're in South Africa. Pass the Omicron to the left-hand side. Okay. Nothing.
All right, good morning again, and we're back. It's definitely a bit brighter, still very windy as you can hear. Gimbal's acting up on me because I'm so bloody cold. Jesus Christ. All right, good morning, we're back. This is Akureyri. Oh man, what a bad start to Icelandic names. I forgot the name of this very, and we're back. This waterfall is called Akureyri.
No, it's not.
I said Seljalandsfoss in the beginning of the video.
But it's also not called whatever you just said.
I'm failing in Icelandic names.
Say it again.
Seljalandsfoss.
No, this one.
Akureyri.
Yeah, I guess that's not.
That was pretty
far
close.
off. Akureyri.
Missing the extra F.
Akureyri.
I've been learning too much German lately, so my Icelandic is a little rusty.
What is this waterfall called in German?
Akureyri.
Isn't it just called
All right.
Wasserfall?
Yeah, Wasserfall.
Wasserfall.
Wo ist der Wasser? It's falling.
Scheiße.
So, we're back, and it's still very windy and very gray, and this Sony A7S III is making everything look kind of blue and purple. But I'm still getting used to it, so don't knock me for the slightly worse video quality. I've got a brand new camera and new lenses. But yeah, it's fun to try and get used to the Sony in such crazy conditions. This is really pushing the weather ceiling to the limit for sure. And yeah, it's fun to get to know the camera in a place like this. Hopefully I'll be fine everywhere else, but this place is beautiful, and this is the second day here in Iceland, and hopefully we got some more great locations and crazy weather to share with you in these vlogs. But from here, Akureyri, we're gonna drive all the way up to Akureyri, which is in the far north, with one more stop to see some Sticks, which I think is gonna look real cool. So yeah, stick with us, and welcome back to Iceland in the winter. Not gonna say it on the camera, but it's really expensive. If you start malfunctioning on me already, Sony, I'm not gonna be happy. Man, Jesus. All right, we're back to the All right, we're back at the vans. That was another hectic morning experience here in Iceland, but also very, very cool. These are like really unique photographs, and part of the adventure side of these adventure photography workshops is weather like that. So we got some really cool content of this man trying to do his job. So if you haven't seen Brendan's channel, be sure to check that out on YouTube. What is it? It's Brendan.Vanson? Son or son? What?
What's my name again?
I'm not good at these awkward It's awkward vlog scenes.
I know, it's one of my favorite things to do to you.
All right.
Awkward vlogging.
Anyway, I was unable to get a photo, which is kind of disappointing, but at the same time, I'm not too fussed about it. I have a very privileged position of being here and working, and this is partly my job. So I want to spend time with these guys to help them get the photo. And if you get 1 or 2 good shots, you know, in a trip here in Iceland, you can be happy with that. Like really, really good shots. And I think the photo that I actually got yesterday, surprisingly, because I was more of like location scouting this location for today, hoping that the light would be better, was really good. So if you haven't seen that photo, it's at the end of the last video, and yeah, go and check that out. But we are hitting the road. It's time to head north. We're going to Akureyri, which is about a 5-hour drive. 1 stop in between, and a whole lot of wind and snow. Recording with the GoPro, that was insane. The weather is just crazy. We made it, guys. Woo! Holy shit. My face is burning. Wow. All for photography, eh? Gotta stay safe too. Safety first, kids. We made it. And we have made it to beautiful Akureyri in the north of Iceland. That was another insane driving day. It's 2 in a row, and I'm definitely starting to feel a bit weary and tired. Tired eyes after looking at all that swirling snow. The snow has been really soft and dry, so it's just getting pushed by the wind across the landscape, and we're just driving through these clouds of snow, and it's really, really hard to see. But luckily, we are driving safe and taking our time, and we're able to arrive here, so that's fantastic. And the group is in good spirits. We were able to get to another location, but the weather was just brutal. I got a couple snapshots off that I'm relatively happy with. I think they look cool, but it's just nice to be done this long driving day and to have made it up here to Akureyri. So this is the end of our second day. I hope you've enjoyed these videos. I'm trying to keep them relatively short and just share a couple of images if I get them. So here are the 2 from that second stop, and I will see you tomorrow as this journey continues through Iceland. Way different than South Africa, and way colder. All right, good night. Video is definitely working. Wow. Let's get that iPhone, because now you're gonna get the shot. Look at this video, my goodness.